Hi, do you know that 90% of all markets are operated by smart money? Learn to think like smart money. Use volume spread analysis. Invest or trade by following the smart money. iVSAchart analytics will 1. Identify exactly when to buy, when to sell, and what to buy and avoid. 2. Maximize profits and minimize risks. And 3. Give trading or investing edge you need now. Try it now. Free trial available.
All right, welcome to another Friday iVSA chart, or 27th of March. Last week, there was no iVSA chart as I was on a business trip to promote the iVSA chart to Singapore and also Australia. We're looking for agents and we are really growing the potential of iVSA chart. Now remember, as part of the iVSA chart promotion and also this year, the iVSA trader campaign continue, and also this coming or next coming Sunday will be our iVSA Oscar Award, and I think most of you have. How many of you received the invitation? We sent out the invitation. You can register to come for the event. It will be held in Pataling Jaya at UEM Convention Center, and we have limited seats, about 50 seats, so you can come. It's a FOC event, and we'll be handing out the award, 3 awards here for the first prize. Here a plug you can see here, and the second prize. The first prize, it's a mobile handphone of Xiaomi plus 1 year subscription of iVSA chart, and the second prize is 300 ringgit and 200 ringgit. I still remember when we tried to get the winner to come, and he said that Martin, is okay, you can donate the prize away because I can make more money using iVSA chart. He asked me to donate to a charity, any concern. I said, Mr. So-and-so, you will meet him this Sunday, okay? He's coming this coming Sunday on April 5th at 2 o'clock. We're starting at 2 o'clock, and we'll get him to tell you how he picks this stock, which have made. Do you want to know how much money he has made? I don't know how much money, but I can tell you from chart you can make how much money. Do you want to know? Would you like to know? iVSA got free training. Yes, we do have free training. It's on Wednesday. I will talk about it after that too, okay? So how many of you like to know how much money he made? How many are interested to know, or you're just here want to ask what share to buy? Okay, so it's no longer about what share you can buy, because with iVSA chart you can always pick new shares and look for the one that have the best odds. Okay, how many of you interested to know how much? Okay, good. Yeah, good, Henry. I know you're up in Miri. Okay. Unfortunately, you're in Miri, so unless you can fly down, why not? Come over to KL, attend this iVSA chart Oscar Award Day on the Sunday 5th, and it's a small event. We organize about 50 people. First come first basis. We have sent out the invitation in here. I hope you register and support us, because I have seen your name in this iVSA chart for almost a long time. Come and support us. Henry, will you sign up for iVSA chart package? Right, I'm sure you will. Okay, all your support that you needed. And all right, maybe. Oh, why is a maybe? Okay, I hope you can sign up for the support. Now we are doing this event. If you're maybe and or a doubt, which means you have no confidence on iVSA chart, then you should not even be attending this iVSA chart clinic. We've been doing this for the last 3 years, and if you have been attending, you probably have some confidence how we're able to pick stocks and so forth. Because as I said before, Fu, I know Fu will be subscribing. He did mention it, and he made about $4,000 from one trade, which is picked up by iVSA 18-day line change. So it's just interesting to see why some people are not doing that, looking for money. Yeah, look for money. You get one trade, you are back in the money, unless, right, you are not doing something right. Okay, back to the event. It will be held on the UEM Convention Hall of Jalan Temple in Pataling Jaya, next to the Federal Highway, close to PJ. It will be on Sunday, April 5th. Registration start at 2 o'clock, and we'll start at 2:30 to 5, and after that we have a small sort of get together. And also we have 2 winners, and we are trying to get the third winner to do an interview, because he's from outstation, he could not make it. So we have 2 winners will be presenting, and they'll probably share with you with their case how they make their stock pick. Okay, so that would be great. So those of you who want to attend, I will send you this URL link in here, right? Okay, be great for you to come and see this. Okay, we have a small thing, right? And that'll be great. So here we have a lot of people attending here. Hey Brian, thanks a lot. Thanks for your support. I received your payment for the iVSAchart 1-year subscription. Okay. All right, Fu. All right, Fu. That's another person. You'll be subscribing to iVSAchart right now, Fu. Okay, Mr. E, thanks for your support. Okay, that's also Janice. And also, let's look at it. Yeah, okay. All right, thanks a lot, Fu. Okay, now we are doing a special offer and launching with my partner in here, the iVSA official launch. Now, this launch is only for a limited time. And like it or not, because of the GST 6%, I know some of you, especially Malaysian, like to make their decision late. Now, if you make your decision late, you have to pay the 6% GST tax. So if you choose to pay before 1st of April, now you have to do so before the 31st of April, then you don't have to pay the 6% GST. So these are the subscribers we have in here. So if you'll be subscribing for 24 months, that will be a 49% discount from that, and the amount is 3,000 ringgit in here. So those of you who subscribed to the lifetime membership, you probably know it's worthwhile too, because you pay one price and you can use it forever. So the lifetime now has already closed. We have said that 3 months ago, because we are training you to see opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. When you see opportunity, you take it. When you see a stock, you take it, else you'll be left behind. We also have smaller package for the 3-month, 6-month, 12-month and 24 months. Now remember, if you want to save some money and not pay the GST 6%, please do so before bank in to us before the 31st of before the 31st of March. 1st of April, the GST will apply. Some of you are still thinking whether to do or not. So how many of you are thinking of subscribing to iVSAchart? Just a show of hands. Right, just a show of hands. So we also sent out this iVSA official launch already to all of you. You probably have received it. And some people did ask about training. We will do on the Wednesday night webinar. The organizer will be nobody want to subscribe to iVSAchart. Come on, people, right? Support us, okay? We've been doing this for FOC for you guys for so long. So do a bit of support, yeah? No one? Well, this is a Malaysian crowd, yeah. Okay, never mind, it's okay. We do the best what we can, okay? So we have this value in here. You pay only 504 ringgit, 924 ringgit, and for 1 year it's 1,680 ringgit, and 24 months is 3,000 ringgit in here, okay? So that's one of the offers that we have in here. Mr. Wan, would you subscribe now, Mr. Wan? Huh? You've been a loyal supporter. Okay, we got Ramli in here. All right, Sun Cheng, all right, Tan Sun Cheng, okay. Because also Mike, you are the regular support. Now immediately after 1st of April, those of you who are using the Pro iVSAchart, you will no longer able to access it. So please, right, if you think this is good and avoid the 6% GST, please do so, okay? I know some of you are still thinking, wow, money go out again, but you will definitely make more, I can tell you that, and avoid, buying some stock like we will talk about. Any guarantee to make money with iVSAchart? That's a good one, right? Guarantee. I always like that question in there, guarantee. Well, one thing I can guarantee for you, you're not going to lose a lot of money. But we'll talk more. If you're really interested, try it out for 3 months anyway. It's only for 504 ringgit in here. And we can see, the problem is, how do I say, anyone who use any software, like it or not, right? If you follow the rule, you're sure to make money, but the problem is people don't follow rules, as I said before. So if they use a software, they don't follow the rules. Like just for example, if I give you a medication, right? If you take your 2 headache pills, and you'll be fine, but a lot of people just don't take it. So that's a lot of question in there. But what I can do for you, Hock Leong, I will challenge you to using the iVSA challenge, as I said before, in there. And if you can make money using that 504, right? We will pay you back the money, okay? You want to take up the challenge, you contact me and email me. I'll give you the challenge. You must follow the rule. If you can follow the rule, you will make money, okay? But the problem is, a lot of people, they back off from the challenge. We will challenge you to learn how to trade. Okay, so that is part of our iVSA campaign that we did, and the reason that we do our Oscar award is to tell people, if you follow the rule like they did, the 40 to 50 plus contestant who done the contest that we did back in what was that, January? Yeah, January 16 to February 19, just before Chinese New Year. You can see a lot of them did very, very well. Okay, so this is the reason to prove you can make money, provided you don't know when. Oh yeah, this one is very easy only lah. This one, how to enter and how to exit with. Join the Facebook group too. Okay, make sure you join the Facebook group too that we have on our. I think we have it in here, right? Join the Facebook group. Let me just show you the Facebook group, and it's on our iVSAchart. You can see that number is growing. And let's show you in here. So this is the one that we are talking about. You can see tape reading in here. So this is just one of the trades that we've done. When to buy and when to sell. We will give you all those on our training. So make sure you subscribe to it. Okay. All right. Let's go on in here. Okay. What we're going to do next in here. Right. Next one, we done this one. So the iVSA Pro package in here. Any takers? No takers at all? All right, or you're just shy, you know. If you do, okay. Thanks, Carol is a lifetime graduates and also our lifetime membership in here. Thanks for your support. Now remember, if you subscribe after 1st of April, you have to pay the 6% GST, and the free access to the Pro iVSAchart is no longer, because we've been around. We've been giving almost 1 year free iVSA to all the members in here, and finally we have to recuperate our cost, because the money that we spend on development and also our hiring our programmers to do all that also take money, isn't it, to develop the software. And now we are using this is also to trade for our clients account too. All right, so let's look at the next training session that we have before we have in here before we go into the stocks for is the iVSA Be a Better iVSA Trader campaign 2015. Is our iVSAchart session. Will be on 1st of April in the KL TTDI Starbucks. This is a training, Hock Leong. If you're around in KL, so hope you can come. It's on Wednesday, 8 to 10 p.m. There is also a webinar available that you can attend to. Contact Mr. Andrew. He's one of the graduate and also a lifetime iVSA purchaser, and his number is 012-550-2058. So WhatsApp him and you can get the webinar from him. So I leave it him to organize among those of you who want to attend for that one. And the next workshop that we're doing, our 1-day workshop, very reasonable price. The last time we did in Penang, I think I've shown you the testimonial that we have, a lot of accolade, a lot of testimonial, great software to use. We just want to see you make money, ladies and gentlemen. Next one will be in JB, Johor Bahru, 16th of May 2015, 16th of May. And those of you who want to register for that one, call Mr. Lim. The price is very reasonable, very affordable, probably less than a dinner for 4 people. Okay, so if you can't afford a dinner for 4 people, this is going to be a tough one for you, right? The number is 011-2125-8389, right? A lot of goodies, a lot of reasonable for that one. Okay, so what do you want to do next? What do you want to do next? Right? Okay, if you're not going to do next, we're just going to be looking at Priva. Okay, the next stocks we want to looking at is at Priva. Now, if you look at Priva up here, this is a stock now. It's pretty very high now. You can look from here. And the best time to enter was actually here. This is the rule that we actually teach you in here. Like I've shown you on the here. You can see this. This is the one, a good one. Let me show you. The press metal. You can see here on the left-hand side. That was where the entry iVSAchart Pro on the what date was this? This was 11th of February. So if you go back to 11th of February, Priva. I know there's one gentleman sent me an email. He entered today actually at this. About 37 cents in here, and I said, why do you enter here? You're supposed to enter here, right? Around 26 cents and not 36 cents. But again, people like to feel good. They want the market to go up before they buy it. And I can tell you, boy, they're likely. Now this one, when you enter here on the left hand side, you couldn't see the market, and this is what iVSA will pick it up for you. Come for the training. And you can see this one has climbed up more than 10% up here to this level in here. Since about here. So let me just show you the chart on the press metal, which is this one here. Yeah, I think that one's level February. 11 here, so you can see the market still moving up. You're still not stopped out yet. This red line is the stop loss. So it's a pretty simple system to use for iVSAChart. Now remember, if you have not renewed your iVSA chart, you won't get to use it next week. Okay, so renew before the 1st of April. Okay, so that's Priva. I don't think it's a good entry in here. And another person also sent out and asked me about Dayang. Okay, now let me show you about Dayang. Dayang, as you can see in here, you can see this is still red. This is still a bullish region. Don't do that, please, ladies and gentlemen. Try to accumulate when this is green, just like press metal. Okay, just like press metal in here. This is Ocean Cash. Maybe I'll talk about that one. You can see here, you want to see when this thing first, like red here, you can see market's not going to go anywhere except down. When it turn green here, you can see this is a green. What does green means, ladies and gentlemen? What does green means? What does green means? Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, Carol. Green means bullish. So you want to wait for this to turn green. Thanks a lot, Carol. Wednesday, Carol, we meet up at TTDI next session. Okay, organized by down there. You can see this one is still what? Is it time to enter Dayang? So Hok Leong, you did ask me a question. Is it time to enter Huayang? So this is just some of the very easy example to see why you want to enter and why you want to avoid. We'll talk more about that on our Wednesday. Hope to see you on that one. So contact Andrew if you wish to come. All right. Okay. Bullish trend. Yeah, we want to look for bullish trend. So it's pretty easy, straightforward in here. So you can see we just have to wait for it. So if you want to enter for Dayang, just wait for it to turn green and look for more sign of strength. We have all this. There are a lot of tutorial in here. You can go on to the iVSA chart. Check out the tutorial lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7. We even have a bonus lesson, stock selection, how to register, PS calculator, line chain, test springs and toolbars. Everything is all in there. And also the iVSA subscription, which I've shown you today. Okay, so what's next? All right, so next we're going to be looking at is now compare. I'll talk about press metal very quickly. If you look at press metal, how the setup is, you can see still trading above the ATR stop loss. No problem with that one. We continue to run the profit longer. Now our methods can make you the big money. If you look from the wall of fame on our Facebook in here, you can see there are many other ones that we have. You can type in the iVSAchart Pro. You can see them yourself too. Let me show you that iVSAchart Pro. Okay, and you look at enter here. You can see there's many one, and this one in here, Carex, we have a stock alert. We have another one in here. Okay, so all these are the entry you talk about, and this one was Carex, went up nicely. This one 144% return. We actually recommended this on March. No, this one on December 18 December, still running it. All right, so there are many opportunities using the iVSA chart. So a lot of people are just looking at the cost but not looking at the return. There's something not right with the whole thing when you just trading regularly. So iVSA chart, take a look at it, ladies and gentlemen. It will make you money. All right, if you don't, come back and see me, because I want to know why you done wrong that you can't make money. Okay, so what else? S cream. Let's look at the last one in here. We have S cream and Chrono. Did I spell it right? ESC. ES Ceramic. Okay, let's look at ES Ceramic. Okay, this one, look, just turn. We have this is not bad. A line change. We have, well, the line change is actually here. Okay, so the market went down sideways in here. You have this bar turning in here. You got upthrust. You got line change in here. Not too bad, but it's not one of the better one. It's not one of the better ones. I can say that. You want to have a better formation. It just turned red here. Okay, it might go down. I'm not sure what is it today. So next one, let's look at Chrono. Okay. Okay, now look for a stock that supports you. Okay, you can see this one in here. When you have the first line change, you have this breakout, a nice one in here. But since this one has turned red, I'll be a bit more careful. I'll wait for it to turn green first. Okay, so on those aspects, I will stay out from Chrono and Eski, ES Ceramic. So that's how simple is it. So if you want to find out what stock to buy, you can go on to line change in here, right? And this is all the stocks pick you can have, and this is something that's available on the iVSA. All right, so with that, I conclude. Red means bearish. Yes, that's correct. So you all know it. I know Mr. One, okay, Mr. E, the iVSA subscription. Okay, so think about that. All right, I know you're all very tight on certain things, right? But this is definitely one tools that I definitely recommend to all of you, for that matter. Now remember, after 1st of April, you will have to pay for the 6% GST tax, so avoid that. Pay before the 31st. And thank you for listening. I'll see you again this evening on our closing bell for our premium members, and bye bye.